bitches only. Bad bitches on me. Bad bitches on me. Bad bitches on me. Bad bitches only. Bad bitches on me. Bad bitches on me.
Yeah, I'm gonna take these down because I want my hair to be a certain way when I you know, like when you take out flexi rods, they're like super tight when you first take them out, and I don't want mine to be super tight. Kind of want them to be a little lax.
Give me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, hanging on the I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this
woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your pillar. You better watch your woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all.
Now I'm going to do my face per usual. I'm going to do my brows, whatever. My Becca matte primer, and I'm gonna put that on my and you guys, this shit, it like legit sticks, like lays your eyebrows down. So next I'm gonna take my Zip Brow Pomade and I'm going to fill in the brows. Just gonna take the end of my brush. It's like an angled brush, and I use it to fill in my brows.
Give me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, hanging on the I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this
woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your pillar. You better watch your woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your woman. You have to know how to play. She say a night can be just say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. I she say my put on a bit. Fuck
that, I wanna hear from the back. Back was smoking his fat. Trisha like I got a set. I pull up, jump out the bed. Bad bitch and I add fat. Photo.
Okay, so next I'm going to outline my brows, and I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, and I'm just going to line these shorties up. Yo, this shine is like running out. Bro, is anything even happening? Like, I'm gonna go into this, y'all know, the NYX Correct Contour whatever palette, and I'm gonna use this shade, this one. I'm gonna mix it with the dark one. I can use it underneath, but I'm not going to use it on top.
Honey, give me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, hanging on the I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this
woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your pillar. You better watch your woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your woman.
I have another one, so we're gonna use this one for the top of my brows, because the bottom can be lighter, but the top, not through there.
I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this
woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your pillar. You better watch your woman access to your villa. Let us on a witness all the thing on your woman.
I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. So these beauty blenders, what is this on here? These beauty blenders, the Real Techniques beauty blenders are like the bomb. I've had the actual beauty blender brand, And I personally like these better. Like, these are just better. These are easier to use and cheaper, much cheaper. So we're just gonna blend the top, even though the top portion doesn't really need to be blended too much because the color wasn't super light. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp, because you don't want no dry, stiff beauty blender. You can't move the product when your beauty blender is damp. Like, you will look like trash. So do not do not try and use a stiff beauty blender with that thing, girl. Run it under the water, squeeze it out, you'll be fine. Nothing will happen to your face. We're gonna take one of these, I don't know which one. I'm gonna take this one in the conceal palette and put that on my lids for a base for my eyeshadow. So when you put the base on your lids, you want it to be like a lighter version. Like, it could be any type of concealer, but make sure it's pretty light, because you want the colors that you're going to use on your lids to like pop out. So you have to have like a white base. Like, you know, red shows up real easily on a white piece of paper than it would a brown piece of paper. You know what I'm saying? Like, just common sense. Use the airspun powder to set it, because you want to set any type of concealer you have on your face, any type of liquid product or creamy product. You want to set your face. You want to set it. I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette. What is this color right here? This one. And I'm gonna put that as my transition color. I'm going to take the color Cypress Amber, and it's this dark brown. It's more like a chocolate brown. But it's like Cypress Amber. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put it like in the outer corner of my eye. Honey, give me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the I forget that I had given her an extra key. All this time, forget that I had given her an extra key. All this time. So then we're gonna take Vermeer in the Modern Renaissance palette, this one, with a flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna put that on all over my lid. You better watch your man, access to your villa. Focus on your weakness, all the thing on your man, you have to know how to play. She say a night, can be just say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. Hard to cut a crease when you ain't got one. So then I'm gonna go back in the palette, and I'm gonna take Raw Sienna and just a little bit of it and just help transition these two colors. Saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even got me on camera. Saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams getting louder. 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 So I'm gonna take one of these. It's like a glitter eyeliner, but I'm not gonna take this one. Please just say okay. Thank you. I got this this glitter eyeliner in gold, and I was gonna use it, but I can't find it, so I'm just gonna use this silver one, and I'm just gonna put it like right on top, like, you know, right above the shadow. Like, you'll see.
louder. Screams getting louder. Wasn't me. She said until it won't tell that I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused. I've been listening to your reason, it makes no sense at all. Please to tell her that I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused. You may think that you're okay about your honey.
So now I'm gonna put eyeliner on, if I can find it, because that's what I do, I misplace things. So I'm just gonna line the bottom.
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door.
Okay, so I'm putting my lashes on, my mink lashes that I sell in the style Barty, and they look like this. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at Mirrored by Maya on my makeup page, you can DM me and get those for just 10 bucks. Like, where can you get mink lashes for 10 bucks? Nowhere. Jesus help me.
We were both butt naked, banging on the I forget that I had given her an extra key all this time.
Okay, she's back and lashes are on. So now I'm gonna do my face. So I'm gonna take the Becca primer and put it on my oily spots, because that primer, boy, it gets all the oil. And then I'm gonna go back in that NYX concealer palette, just cover up the blemishes.
She was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Oh, you
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the banging on the banging on the
Maybelline Fit Me foundation in coconut. I just use this one as my foundation because I don't have any new ones that I'm using. Like, I don't have anything else that I really like, even though this one, honestly, I don't really care for it, but I use it.
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the I forget that I had given her an extra key all this time. Forget that I had given her an extra key all this time.
Look at my kitten. Say hi, Daisy. Daisy. Say hi. It's my kitten, Daisy. Okay, so next I'm going to take my concealer in Fawn. Y'all, when I tell you this concealer is had enough. I'm sure it's like, please, let me go. Just can't let you go. Can't leave you alone. So I'm going to take that concealer and then I'm going to go into my Shane Cosmetics concealer palette. And I've had this thing for like ever. And it's like this concealer right here.
You better watch your woman access to your villa. Let us on a weakness all the up in your woman and woman. They all have to know how to play. She say a night can be just say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. I she play my put on a bit.
But she got me on the counter. Wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa. Wasn't me. I even had her in the shower. Wasn't me. She even got me on camera. Saw the marks on my shoulder.
Okay, so right after I finish blending, I take my airstone powder and I put it on underneath it, because you do not want to set it. You don't want to wait and then your concealer creeps on you, and then it will not be a good look. So the old me used to cream contour like all the time, and you know, I use my black opal stick and black walnut, of course, and now I just powder contour with my favorite. Y'all know this is my favorite Holy Grail And I just take an angled brush. And, you know, just snatch the nose a little bit. I'm just gonna reverse contour with my airspun powder. My Wet n Wild color icon in the color Mellow Wine. I'm like, where's the color? And then, almost done, I just spray my face. Jesus, Father, help me. Help me, Lord. And then I highlights with my glow kit, Anastasia glow kit, and I take the color Golden Bronze and just. So for my lips, what I'm gonna do is put some more Vaseline on because already my lips are dry. And all I do is outline my lips, like that's all I do. With the NYX lip pencil in dark brown. So what I'm going to do is go back into the Real Techniques palette and just put that dark brown color under my eyes.
I forget that I had given her an initiative. All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Your girl is ready, yo. Like, what?
We got touch, he gon' ride. He my slime, young gun on my prime. Hey.